We just arrived in Krushuna village to see the waterfalls, but as always we got surprised and there are a lot of things to see. Also there will be caves, there will be some pools, there will be multiple waterfalls and some parks for relaxing. So let's go and check them out, no?
Krushuna Waterfalls are located in Krushuna village, a small village but full of guest houses and places to eat. From the entrance, it smells like barbecue. It will take you less than an hour to come from Lovech or Pleven, or an hour and a half from Veliko Trnovo because it's a bit further away. Krushuna Waterfalls are inside Marata National Park. The entrance is just 5 leva, which is around €2.50. The waterfall is the biggest travertine waterfall in Bulgaria. It is around 20 meters high. The amazing shapes that it has are thanks to the calcium carbonate from the spring waters. The water here is full of minerals and this is why it's so beautiful. Back in the days, there was no entrance fee. You could enter and swim in the little pools, but now, to preserve it, the access is limited.
Easy to recommend the Krushunski waterfalls. They are massive, they are loud, they are beautiful. You get full of emotion when you come here. Just look at them.
Inside the park, there are clear signs showing you the path. You can enjoy multiple viewpoints and the sound of the crashing water. It could be a bit slippery and muddy, but it's not dangerous or hard to walk around.
Can you reach these hands over there?
Come on, so you continue? Of course I can't.
A ver. Die. Die.
Here.
Hey! The sign says that it's a whole labyrinth of tunnels over there. Sad there is no walking place to there.